uphumile wabuya sangcwaba wahamba futhi makabuya from esikoleni ama-holidays. Every single day ngilapha kuye ngikhuluma ngendaba ukuthi I am challenged, I have a problem with uNkulunkulu. A serious problem. Naye. Ududu being ududu, encourage I say, see, it's okay, these things happen, but we continue to trust in God, we continue to pray, we continue to fast, but it's like she's hitting a brick wall. I can't talk to Unono is going through the same thing, maybe in a different way. But we've experienced something very close to each other. I don't want to burden. So in that space and in that moment, all I felt was I'm alone. Completely alone. Everything, my foundation, was shaking. It showed me the work that I thought I had done, I hadn't done it correctly. There were loopholes. If they couldn't feel in that way, there were loopholes. I didn't put enough, in my mind, I didn't put enough effort. I didn't read the word more. I didn't fast more. So it was challenging at that time. Fast forward a couple of months, I'm very angry with God. Yes, but it's very okay. I'm in and out. Today but I'm coming to church. But I'm here with you guys. Whatever responsibility that you've given me, it unfolds and I do it.
Yes.
But deep down inside, there's a struggle.
Okay.
But every day I'm sitting right there.
Okay.
Every day I come and I do announcements right here. Every single day I come. Whatever responsibility that I've been given, I try my level best to put it to the best of my ability. But I am challenged. Heavily so.
Yeah.
Heavily so. And in that challenge, because it's not for abazalwane to deal with. It's for me and my Creator to deal with. And at that time, He's not hearing me. So I thought.
Okay.
He is not hearing me.
Okay.
So I thought.
Okay.
Couple of months down the line, I'm 17 this other time. I'm 17. I decide I'm going to quit.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm going to quit M17. I'm going to quit at church on the following Sunday.
Okay.
I'm just going to quit. Sing up.
Okay.
I'm going to quit. Okay, I made the decision that I'm going to quit. I tell this other guy that I'm working with, to text message, I've come to the point, tired, don't want to do this anymore. Everything is on my bag, I don't want it anymore, I quit.
Okay.
Okay. I don't think you should quit. Maybe take some time off and see how it goes and things like that. No, I don't want to see how it goes. I quit. That's okay. It's okay. I'll quit, but I'll quit I'll quit on Monday. I won't quit today, but I will quit on Monday. Not today. Postpone quitting.
Postponement ikubambi.
Sunday ngifike lana ngithi I'm going to quit. Njengoba uhatele ngoba masiloke I want a meeting privately. Ubaba Masina naye ubaba uhatele ubizwa uhatele ubaba Masina ubaba Masiluke, and then I'm going to tell them privately alone ukuthi I'm quitting. I'm quitting work, I'm quitting church. I no longer want to do it anymore. It's too much for me. It's burdensome. I have to deal with this, then I have to deal with that. And it's too much for me. I can't do it anymore. I am going to quit. Sunday comes. Sesheni was MC. Uyangibiza uthi Kels uzoyenza ama-announcement. Nezinyawo zenzani? Kels yenza ama-announcement.
Okay.
Ngizoquit.
Where's quitting by that time?
So quit on that Sunday.
Okay.
Sesheni yangibiza ngiyawayenza ama-announcement.
Okay.
Hlala phasi baphathe uyezwa uyashumayela.
Yeah.
Amen. I agree with what he's saying. It's in the depths of my heart. I agree. Yes. Sphume. Ayisixoxele kumamthunye kumnandi la ngaphandle. Everybody goes and they go home, they disperse.
Yeah, again.
Mangifike endlini I was supposed to quit. Kenza I was supposed to quit. Kufanele ukuthi
Same
I'm
cutting.
tired. Physically, I'm tired. Emotionally, I'm tired. I'm tired. Abantu abangaziyo babazi ukuthi lo udiniwe. There is some mentally I'm tired, physically I'm tired, spiritually I'm tired. I am just tired. Akukho kuhlanganayo ukuhamba kahle. And God knows bazalwane. He knows, but he says nothing. Day in ngiyavuka, nothing. Day out ngiyavuka, nothing. Monday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, the entire week, nothing. Ayahamba ngamanzi. November, Baba Mashana go November, December, January, February, March. I still have the same feeling. April 3rd, it's his birthday. April 3rd, it's his birthday. Fagi status to your commenda, Fagi broken heart. I'm like, okay. Alright. Hi, Yakulera, Yamjana Mulugulu is who take this pain away and what. And then he said, that's the first time I heard him. The first time I heard him in a while. Take this pain away. I'm tired. I can't do this anymore. It's too much. The only thing that he said was why. Why? Why kufanele ngithathe ubuhlungu? Why should I take you? Why should I take your pain? Why should I take your sorrow? Why should I take your grief? Why should I take your emptiness? Why? For what purpose?
Okay.
What is it going to do? If I take those things away, what is it going to do? And if I do take those things away, what is going to be left? What is going to be left? Mamthunyu yakho. Mamthunyu yakho, correct? If uthatha lokugula babamthunyu, what is left? Do you understand? What is left? Babamthunyu yakula, but he's experiencing things daily.
Okay. Yeah.
So makathatha lokugula, what is left?
Amen.
So he says that to me too.
Okay.
Why? Can take all those things. I'm sure you too.
Yeah.
I can take those things away in an instant. You feel relieved. Instant gratification. Ube right.